Hello students, welcome back to the class. We are continuing with the NEET Clean Series, and in which yesterday I have discussed about the multiple choice questions from the topic of cell biology. There were 50 questions. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss 25 most important MCQs from the topic of cell biology. So without wasting much time, let us get started with the questionnaire. Today's first question is, nuclear pores are guarded by. Nuclear pores are actually guarded by annulus. Next question is, genome is defined as. Genome is a complete set of chromosomes of any organism. So if we talk about the genome of human beings, it will be 23 pairs of chromosomes, or we can say about 46 chromosomes. Next question is, nucleolar organizer is found at the secondary constriction that we find in the chromosome. Next question says, kinetochore is present in. Kinetochores are the regions where the spindle fibers attach on the chromosomes while the cell division takes place. Next question says, true chromosomes absent in prokaryotes due to the absence of. If chromosomes are absent in the prokaryotes, it is because of the absence of nucleus in the prokaryotes. Next question says, a complete set of chromosomes inherited as a unit from one parent is known as the gene pool. Next question says, nucleolus in eukaryotic cell is. Nucleolus is related to the r-RNA formation or ribosomal RNA formation. So this is the site for packaging of r-RNA with the proteins. Next question is, chromosomes are composed of. Chromosomes are composed of DNA, RNA, histones and some non-histone proteins, and that is why option 1 will be the answer. Next question says, role of nucleus in morphology of plant was discovered in. Acetabularia will be the answer for this question. Next question says, the most diagnostic character of centromere is chromonema. It is a spirally coiled central filament to which the centromere is attached on the chromosome, and that is why chromonema will be the answer. Next question says, diploid number of chromosomes in man, black molish and privet hedge is. In man, in human beings, we have 46 number of chromosomes that are arranged in 23 pairs. The next question says, Nucleonema is a part of. Ribosomes which are formed in the nucleolus. They appear to be string-like or bead-like structures on a string, and that forms the structure called as nucleonema, and that is why they are found in the nucleolus. Next question is, which part of the chromosome is concerned with aging of organism and cancer? The ends of the chromosomes are called as the telomeres, and they are specific for a particular organism or for the individual, and any change in the telomere number or increase in the telomere number may result in the cancer, and that is why telomere will be the answer for this question. Next question says, the total hereditary material which occur outside the chromosome is called as plasmon. That will be present in the plasma, that is cytoplasm. The non-sticky chromosomal end are known as the telomeres, because chromosomal ends are called as telomeres and they are also non-sticky. The next question says, the highest arm ratio occur in which chromosome? Out of these four options of telocentric, metacentric, submetacentric and acrocentric, acrocentric will be the answer for this question. I hope that you know about the meaning of the telocentric, metacentric and submetacentric. Next question says, which chromosome does not provide attachment site for spindle fibers? Out of these options, acentric, which does not have the chromosome which does not have the centromere, called as the acentric, and that is why these chromosomes, they do not provide any attachment sites for the spindle fibers. The next question says, the nucleolar chromatin contains genes for. Nucleolus is related to the production of the ribosomal RNA. Option 3 will be the answer for this question. Next question is, the heterochromatin is condensed in the following region of the chromosome. The heterochromatin is found in the secondary constrictions, and that is why both the options 1 and 2 are the answer for this question. So option 3 will be the answer. Next question says, one solenoid is composed of many nucleosomes which are bound together by the DNA threads, and in one solenoid we find 6 nucleosomes. Next question says, solenoid structure is related with. It is related with chromatin fibers, because as I have told you, solenoid is formed of the nucleosomes, and nucleosomes are formed of the histone proteins, and they are wound by the chromatin fibers and that is why the answer will be chromatin fibers. Next question is, the chromosomes appear as beaded structures at leptotin stage of the prophase 1. We find the chromosomes at the beaded structures. Next one is, histones which links the nucleosomes together is called as the H1 histone protein. It links the two nucleosomes together. Next question is, which chromosomes remain condensed during interphase? The X chromosome of the Bar body remains condensed during the interphase of the cell division. Next question is, who first proved that heredity is controlled by nucleus? Hammerling has first of all proven that heredity is controlled by the nucleus. So that is all, students. We have discussed 25 MCQs in this video lecture. I hope that you have liked the content, and if you have liked the content, you know what you have to do. You have to put your comments in the comment box, you have to like the video, and you have to share this video amongst your friends and relatives, and you have to subscribe the channel if you have not done so. So take care of yourselves. See you until next time, and thanks a lot for watching this video till this moment.